In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Audio Squawk. This feature is designed to keep you informed with real-time, voice-delivered market headlines so you can stay focused on your charts and execution without constantly scanning a newsfeed. Think of it as a hands-free companion that calls out the most market-moving developments the moment they hit. First, let's get you oriented. Inside the Benzinga Pro web app or the desktop platform, look toward the top navigation bar or main toolbar. You're looking for a small audio or speaker-style icon, often labeled with a reference to the live squawk. It typically lives near other core tools, so it's easy to reach while you work. Depending on your screen size or layout, the icon's position may shift slightly, but it remains in that top-level navigation area, so it's always just a click away when you need it. Once you've found it, turning on the live feed is straightforward. Click the icon to activate the audio squawk, and the stream will begin playing shortly. You may notice a brief startup tone or a status indicator changing to show that the feed is live. This is your confirmation that the service is running and ready to relay headlines, market reactions, and breaking developments as they come through. Keep your system's audio at a comfortable level so the commentary is clear without competing with other sounds on your workstation. With the feed active, take a moment to tailor it to your workflow. Open the settings associated with the audio squawk and adjust the volume to match your environment, whether you prefer a subtle background presence or a more prominent level during fast-moving sessions. Then, select the types of news alerts you want to hear. You can narrow the focus to the categories that matter most to you, such as earnings updates, macro headlines, analyst moves, or notable market activity, so you filter out noise and keep attention on the information that drives your decisions. This curation helps reduce fatigue and ensures that when the voice comes on, it's something you truly care about. As you trade, you can fine-tune these preferences to match different parts of the day or specific strategies. Many users prefer broader coverage near the open and a more selective stream midday, then expand again into the close. The key is to keep the feed aligned with your goals so it amplifies your edge without overwhelming you. That's the core of using Benzinga Pro Audio Squawk. Find the icon, activate the live stream, and configure the audio and alert types to fit your style. Once set, it becomes a powerful, real-time guide that keeps vital information flowing while you stay focused on execution.